dear students, welcome to all of you. Myself Dr. Bisumar Manti. Today we will discuss the very fundamental problems of scalar and vector, which is the basic concept of scalar vector, and which will be discuss the very fundamental concept problems, numericals of the scalar and vector. You know that suppose you take the a vector A dot B, you know that dot product A dot B is equal to dot product is equal to A magnitude into B magnitude into cos theta. This is the dot product. Which is another, this is another dot product or scalar product. This is the dot product or scalar product. And you know, and next is cross product or vector product. That is A plus B is equal to, which is a vector C, and which is equal to product of the individual magnitudes A magnitude, B magnitude, sin theta and n cap. And n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing the two vectors. This is A and this is B, and this is n cap, unit vector perpendicular. This is the A plus B or C vector, and this is the unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane containing the two vectors, right hand thumb rule or screw upwards. If A to B, A plus B upward, B to A, B cross A downwards. If call from B to A, then B cross A is downward, A to B, A plus B is upward, and A plus B and B cross A are in opposite directions. That is, A plus B is equal to minus of B plus A. You know, is the fundamental concept of scalar and vector, dot product and cross product. And if the A dot B, if A is equal to Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap, these are the Ax, Y, Ay, Az at the rectangular components of A along X, Y and Z axis, and vector B is equal to Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. Then A dot B is equal to Ax Bx plus Ay By plus Az Bz. You know. For example, I am giving one example. Suppose this is vector A is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. Very fundamental problem. I am giving very fundamental questions basic upon the dot product and cross product. And A I cap B vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Then what is dot product? Then A dot B is equal to Ax Bx 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2 plus minus 5 into 4. That is equal to 3 plus 8 minus 20. So that is 11 minus 20, that is equal to minus 9. So this is the fundamental questions on scalar and vector, the dot product. And if you ask you what is the angle between the two vectors, how to calculate the angle between the two vectors, very fundamental concept is angle between the two vectors can be calculated by the following methods. So angle between the two vectors, that is equal to cos theta, is equal to, you know that A dot B divided by A magnitude into B magnitude. This is the angle between the two vectors can be calculated by this method. For example, this is I am giving, suppose a vector A, you know that vector A is equal to X I cap, Ay j cap plus Az k cap, and the magnitude of A vector is equal to magnitude of A is equal to X square plus Ay square plus Az square, and magnitude of B is equal to Bx square plus By square plus Bz square. So A dot B is equal to, we can calculate A dot B cos theta is equal to X Bx, A dot B X Bx plus Ay By plus Ay By plus H at Bz divided by A magnitude Ax square plus Ay square log h square root over into divided by bx square plus by square plus b square root over. So in this way we can calculate the angle between the two vectors. I am giving one example, very fundamental example I am giving. Suppose A is equal to vector A is equal to 3i cap plus j cap minus k cap, and vector B is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. If I ask what is the angle between the two vectors, then angle between the two vectors by calculated by this methods, by this formula. So that first of all you have to calculate the magnitude of vector A. Magnitude is equal to 3 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square root over, that is 9 plus 1 plus 1, that is root 11. And magnitude of B is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 4 square root over, that is 1 plus 4 plus 16. That is equal to root 5, 5 plus 6, root 21. So, if you ask what is the angle between x, bx, a dot b, the value, what is the value of a dot b? This is x, bx plus a y, by plus a z, bz. That is 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 4. This is 3 plus 2 minus 4. Ax bx plus ay by plus az bz minus 1 into 4. Then 6 minus 4, that is 2. Then apply this formula. So cos theta is equal to a dot b, that is a dot b divided by a magnitude into b magnitude. A dot b, the value of a dot b is 2, divided by a magnitude is root 11, and magnitude of b is equal to root 21. So in this way theta is equal to cos inverse 2 divided by root 11 into root 21. So in this way we can calculate the very fundamental question. I am giving very fundamental question. In this way we can calculate the value of theta angle in two vectors. Suppose you know that if the two vectors are perpendicular, if the two vectors A and B are mutually perpendicular to each other. So if A and B are mutually perpendicular to each other, then its dot product theta is equal to 90 degree. So theta is 90 degree means its dot product is equal to, if theta is 90 A magnitude and B magnitude into the cos theta, cos 90. Cos 90 is 0, so dot product is 0. If the two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other, its dot product is 0. For example, I am giving you one example, problems numericals. Suppose A is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus xk cap, and vector B is equal to minus 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. If A and B, vector A and B, are mutually perpendicular to each other, find the value of x. What is the value of x? So since the two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other, A and B are mutually perpendicular to each other, its dot product is 0. So A dot B is equal to 0 since it mutually perpendicular, since A and B, answer, since A and B, very fundamental question I am giving, A and B are perpendicular to each other. So A dot B is equal to 0. Then what is the value of A dot B? X bx 1 into minus 2 plus ay by plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into x is equal to 0. That is minus 2 plus 3x. This x bx minus 2 and 1 plus ay by 2 into 1 plus ax into 3x is equal to 0. Then 3x is equal to 0, cancel. So then x is equal to 0. See, if a and b are mutually perpendicular to each other, then the value of x is equal to 0. Next question, we will discuss find a unit vector. Find a unit vector which is parallel to the resultant of the two vectors vector A is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap and vector B is equal to 2I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So next question is find the unit vector which is parallel to the resultant of the two vectors. So we have to calculate the resultant of the two vectors, means vector addition is the R is equal to resultant of the two vectors A and B, that is equal to A plus B. So R is the resultant of the two vectors. And basic problems of scalar vector, very fundamental questions. So that is vector A is equal to I cap plus 3I cap plus 2I cap plus j cap, that is 3j cap plus 3k cap minus k cap plus 2k cap. These are the resultants. So basic concept is this is vector A, this is the vector representation, and this is the resultant of the two vectors A and B, this is the resultant vectors R. So we have to calculate the unit vector which is parallel to the resultant, means R cap. So R cap is the unit vector which is parallel to the resultant R. We have to calculate the R cap. Then R vector, unit vector, R cap is equal to unit vector. This is the unit vector along the direction of the resultants. That is equal to R vector by R magnitude. So R magnitude is equal to 3 square plus 3 square plus 2 square. That is 9 plus 9 plus 4. This is 18 plus 4, 22. 22, this R vector is equal to 3I cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap divided by R magnitude. R magnitude is equal to root 22. So this is the unit vector which is, or you can write it as 3 divided by root 22 I cap plus 3 divided by root 22 j cap plus 2 divided by root 22 k cap. So this is the unit vector which is parallel to the resultant of the two vectors. Thank you very much. This is the 5 fundamental questions I have discussed, very basic fundamental questions I have discussed on scalar vector. Thank you.